and he's running for Attorney General in the state of Texas. So you just returned from the border. You're joining us now. What did you see at the border? Because I asked the question because the crossing of illegals has kind of dropped out of the headlines with all the other events around the country, but the flow is still there. Is that what you saw?
Absolutely. Thank you for having me, Stuart. I've actually visited state acreage in Rio Grande City and Stark County, where in the Rio Grande Valley, 40% of all illegal immigration is occurring. And what I found, Stuart, and one of the reasons why I filed a lawsuit yesterday against the Biden administration is that this administration refuses to finish the Trump wall. $5 billion was appropriated to finish 750 miles, 300 miles of which is incomplete. And you will see from our press conference that there is still unfinished wall that would have secured state lands. And that is what give us standing in this legal case to bring against the administration.
Are we doing catch and release? They come across the border, catch them, because you don't have the facilities, you don't have the judges available, you release them. Are we still doing that? Because if we are, that's the exact opposite of what we propose for the Cubans.
That's correct. We've moved increasingly to that direction with the removal of the Remain in Mexico policy, with our failure to secure our borders. And as was mentioned in the prior reporting, most of our honorable Border Patrol officials are busy with the processing and the administrative aspect of handling close to 200,000 people on a monthly basis when there's 19,000 agents. Not to mention all of those that are, as they call them, gotaways, that blend into the shadows of our country. And now there's an increasing policy because of the backlog before our immigration judges that folks are able to further blend into the shadows when they have a notice to appear before a federal court, because the average wait time now is 3 years. This is the absolute wrong policy. We can build fences around the Capitol after January 6th, but we can't seem to do that on our southern border.
Got it. I want to talk about the Democrats, the lawmakers who fled the state. Governor Abbott wants to arrest them when they return to Texas. On what you're running for Attorney General in Texas? On what grounds would they be arrested?
Well, for dereliction of duty. We've done this in the past. The legal authority remains with the state of Texas to be able to compel them to do their job. The Constitution, regretfully, as you had mentioned, Stuart, earlier, allows for these Democrats to be paid during this time, during this special session. As they wait out, our estimate puts it at about $1 million costing the taxpayer. And only in government can you quit your job, walk away, get a headline, but have no repercussion. But make no mistake, when they come back, they will be arrested and placed within the Capitol to finish their job.
George P. Bush, politics is in your blood, sir. And we're great to have you on the show today. Come back and see us again, please. Thank you, sir.